Hello, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing good. Just wanted to bring you a new dapp that's going to be launching on Binance Smart Chain. And this one is kind of like a drip fork. So just wanted to let you know about it. It's goldengoose.gold. That's the website, www.goldengoose.gold. And it hasn't launched yet, but once you get here you can click get started, and basically once you do that, this is like their dashboard where you connect. And once they launch, you'll be able to buy the Goose, connect your wallet to deposit it. Over here it says connect your wallet to deposit Goose tokens. And then it also has referrals, so you can build a team if you want. That's up to you. And the other things, okay. It will be a 1.5 daily return on investment through sustainability. So it's a little bit more than some of the other ones. It's 1.5. Drip is like 1%, so it's a little bit more. There are some, I think it's like Splash token, that's 2%, and then there's another one that I saw that was 3%, but most of them usually are like 1%. There's a lot of these coming up now, similar to drip. So this is the tokenomics total supply, 1 million Goose. There's going to be a pre-sale. I believe it's going to be on April 4th, so it hasn't happened yet. And if you want to find more about it, you have to join their Telegram. So I will show you where that is. 30% to pankcake swap, 3% to marketing, 2% to the development team, and then rewards is going to be 50% of their money. It's going to be for rewards. The taxes, buy and sell, 10%, 10% staking fee, and 0% compounding fee. So if you like to go compound every day or every once in a while, that'll be cool. Here you can click to the Telegram, and I'm already like here. It'll take you here to the Golden Goose, and you can view in Telegram. I already logged in over here. Is it here? Maybe it's this one that I logged into. Oh, okay. Let's see. Oh, I didn't log. Okay, I have to do it with my phone. But anyway, that's where you can go to their Telegram and find out about stuff. Then this is their white paper here. If you go to the top, you have the overview, which is the tokenomics taxes. You can contact them. They have their email here where you can contact them, right here. And then this is, let's see, that's just back to the same website. And then the other thing is the Telegram. So the Telegram is where everyone's talking about the project and all the announcements are coming up. And then here's the white paper, and it tells you pretty much the same things. The only thing, it does talk a little bit more about stuff, but it's pretty much the same thing over, the same taxes. It talks about the referral system, if that's something you want to do. Stake and compound. It's also going to be gamified dapp. It's going to have gaming. And also this is their proposed timeline. So you can see all the different things they're going to do here. And pretty much that was it. And I just wanted to let you know about this new dapp that's going to be launching where you can make money. If you like drip forks, this is something you might want to get into. It's called Golden Goose. And if you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.